The day has finally arrived. Your new SteelMaster building is here. Here's what you can expect during offloading. After the driver arrives and the tarp is removed, the driver will meet with you to go over paperwork. From there, you can carefully move the materials to your preferred storage spot until you're ready to start construction. This particular model is an A model 20x24. Offload times depend on three things: building size, available equipment, and number of helpers. The offloading of a building this size should take about an hour with at least 4 people. Once the materials are offloaded, the driver will provide you with a bill of lading, a detailed checklist to help confirm that all items in your order have arrived as expected. We recommend reviewing the checklist during and again after the offload has been completed. And just like that, you're one step closer to building your new SteelMaster building.